All right, welcome to another interesting question here again on our channel. Today, we want to learn how to solve some word problem. And now the question reads 1/6. We have 1/6 of a certain number. Every time we are given something like this, we want to replace a certain number maybe with a variable, say y. So 1/6 of a certain number is added to 26. Take note of the word is added. When we say something is added, for example, 4, when we say x is added to 4, to be plus x. We are adding x to 4. When we say we are subtracting x from 4, it's going to be 4 minus x. You see, this is minus x. It means remove x from 4. So when we say something is added, it means that particular quantity is added to the other one. So take note of that. The result is 1 1/4 times the original number. So let's get started with the solution. So we have solution right here. Let's start off first with 1/6 in math simply means 1/6. Take note. And it's 1 1/4 simply means one whole number, 1/4. Quarter is 1/4, so 1 1/4. So let's get started. So now we have 1/6 of a certain number, y. That would be like 1/6 of times y, right? And that will give me 1/6y. So take note of this quantity. And so we say 1/6 of a certain number is added to 26. Take note. So we already have 26. So we are adding 1/6y to 26, right? Now we move on. It says the result is, so that means equal to 1 whole number 1/4. I mean 1 1/4, that's 1/4 times the original number, which is y. The original number is still the same as a certain number. Okay. Now we have successfully converted the word problem into equation. So right now we're going to learn how we're going to simplify it. So we have 26 plus 1/6y is equal to, this is mixed fraction, you change it to improper fraction, put your times and your addition. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1, you have 5/4 times y, which is 5/4y. Now you want to collect like terms, so you take this quantity over to this side, so it becomes negative. So you have 1/6y minus 5/4y is equal to, when you take 26 to the other side, it becomes negative 26, right? Okay, so from this position, I can factor out y because it's common here. So when I factor out y, I have to open a bracket. So I have 1/6 minus 5/4. As if to say y times this will give me this quantity, y times this will give me this quantity. So all equal to minus 26. So we have to simplify these ones in the bracket. So let's do it somewhere here. So I have 1/6 minus 5/4. Somehow you want to use your LCM to solve this problem, but I like using the butterfly style. We do 1 times 4. We have 4. Then bring down this operation, minus, bring it down. So 6 times 5, we have 30 all over. Then 4 times 6 is 24. And that will give me minus 26/24. And if 2 divides this guy is 13, if 2 divides this guy is 12. So finally we have minus 13/12. So we have y into minus 13/12 is equal to minus 26. All right, we are progressing. So whenever you have something like this, you want to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, so you can have what the value of y is all about. So we divide here by this, and we divide here also by minus 13/12. Of course, this guy, we cancel out this guy, so we have y is now equal to, and of course the minus guy, we cancel the minus guy. So remember, when you have 7/2, you can write it as 7 divided by 2, right? So that will be 26 divided by 13 over 12, right? And you know, we don't work with division sign in math. We change division to multiplication. And here we go. We have y is equal to 26 over 1, then times 12 over 13. What did you observe? When we change division to multiplication, this guy is going to go down, and this one is going to go up. Okay, so you can see 13 here is 1, 13 can divide 26, here is 2. So we have y is equal to 2 times 12, and finally y is equal to 24. So that original number or that certain number is just 24. Thank you very much for